Yeah, hello everybody. It's Larry. I'm up here at the Halton District School Board, our new Northeast Oakville High School. So I'm talking through my watch through the drone. So this is where technology has gone. Using a watch now to talk. So follow me along the front here, and I'll show you where we're at. It's things are moving very well. Actually, today is very busy. Here he is over here. Follow me along. Let's put it behind me. Get behind me, get behind me, get behind me. There we are. Okay, we're at the front of the building. Start over again here. We're spraying at the front. Air vapor barrier. I'll tell you, it's very busy here today. I'm standing on the new parking area. We're getting that all prepared. Lots of work on the road over there, up to the left. See, it's a busy spot. So what I'm going to do is just give you an introduction, and we're going to put the other drone in the air, and we're going to fly around the building, and we're going to see what's on the roof. So here we are at the front of the building. Just let me show you the front of the building. Okay, up a little bit. And there's the front of the building. Okay, gang, that's it for now. Bye for now.